Bright future, great opportunities, proud parents and siblings. You are chasing your dream. A little nervous, but it's okay. You are independent. You are a grown-up boy. You are brave. You are strong. You are worth it. You are making a great effort. You will learn. You will gain experience. You did a good job. Do not worry about anything. You are above your peers. They do not know you or your ambitions. You are going to reach the biggest achievement of your life. This is the beginning of new chapter. Everything is going to be okay. Everybody believes in you. The home is far behind. You are alone. But you are intelligent. You can figure something out. You have a plan for a while. You know everything is going to be okay. You are doing a great job. Nothing bad is happening. There is no reason to panic. Do not doubt your skills. You are interacting. You are communicating. They are willing to help. Mother is proud of you. She brags about how great of son you are. You have come to the whole new world. You have read about it. You have seen it on a screen. You are part of it. You have already made it. Believe it. You settled here. Focus on your future. Don't be afraid. You are hungry. You are constantly hungry. Find some food. You are learning to live on your own. This is great and manly. You are very strong and independent. Don't think about being alone. You are not a stranger. There are many like you. This is your new home, new house, new friends. Yes, you can have friends. You are not alone. People are interested in you. Don't be afraid. Don't be shy. Please, do not shut yourself off. You need interaction. You need connections. Be brave. Be strong. Mother believes in you. Do not cry at night. Do not starve. You are losing hair. You look unhealthy. You've locked yourself in your room. You are afraid. You don't talk to anyone. You find yourself in a virtual world. That is your comfort zone. You don't need anyone. You don't need anything. You don't care. No, this is pointless. You think you are not going to make it. You want to go back. You hear your mother, your sibling. You feel pressure. You are wasting money. You are wasting time. You are a waste.